Imagine you've just arrived at the airport, excited for your trip. Before you can board the flight, you must pass through security. The security checkpoint examines your luggage and your identification to ensure you're not carrying any prohibited items and that you're an authorized traveler. This process involves checking each item against a list of rules, such as no sharp objects or large containers of liquid, and verifying your identity. This airport security process is similar to packet filtering in network security. Just like the security checkpoint controls what can pass through to the boarding area, packet filtering controls what data packets can enter or leave a network. Each data packet is inspected based on predefined rules, such as source and destination addresses, port numbers, and protocols. If a packet meets the criteria, it's allowed through, just like a passenger who has cleared security. If it doesn't, it's blocked, similar to how prohibited items or unauthorized individuals are stopped at the checkpoint. Packet filtering helps protect the network by ensuring that only safe and authorized data passes through, just as airport security keeps flights safe by allowing only approved passengers and items to board. For a deeper understanding, check out the Packet Filtering and VPN video series by Cyber Frontier Network. These videos offer valuable insights into integrating packet filtering with VPNs to secure network communications effectively. Don't miss out on this comprehensive resource to bolster your network security knowledge. This is a Cyber Frontier Network production, defending the cyber frontier. Subscribe today. Thank you for watching.